question asks us to identify the acid and the conjugate acid in this particular acid-base reaction. One way that I like to do that is to look for the hydrogen that moves during the course of this reaction. In an acid-base reaction, a hydrogen from an acid gets transferred to the conjugate acid during the course of the reaction. Looking at all of the hydrogens implied or explicitly drawn in, the one that I'm focused on is the one here on the butane 2-ol. This hydrogen is attached to the oxygen in the starting material and is not attached to that same oxygen in the product. On the product side, however, there is a hydrogen attached to the oxygen in isopropanol. It was not attached to the isopropoxide in the starting material. That tells me this is the hydrogen that travels during the course of this reaction. What that means is then that the butane 2-ol on the reactant side is our starting acid, and the isopropanol on the product side is our conjugate acid.